everybody, I am Roshan and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechnoKids. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel for notifications for my new videos. In my last video, I showed you about the events block panel in Scratch 3.0. In my current video, I will show you about the control blocks panel in Scratch 3.0. Okay? So, let's start with Scratch 3. So to open Scratch 3, go to Start button, All Apps and then search SCR. You'll get Scratch 3. So click on that to open it. So Scratch will load, we'll put it in full screen. So Scratch has loaded. In my second video, I showed you about motions block panel. Now third video, looks block panel. Fourth video, sounds block panel. Fifth video, events block panel, and sixth video, the current video, I'll show you about control block panel. You might be wondering what's control block panel. So before we start with control block panel, I'll just change the background. We won't use the same background in my every video. So let's change the background to, look, you have so many options. You can paint a background, you can get a surprise background, and you can upload one. So we'll choose a surprise background. Click on it. I also don't know what comes. Let's see. Okay, a small brick wall and a grassy area has come as a background. So the cat doesn't need to stand the wall, right? So we'll move it to the grass by dragging and dropping it. So we'll see about the first control block. Wait 1 second. You already must have guessed what it might mean. Yes, that's right. It's to make the sprite wait for a few seconds before it starts the next action. So let's see. So we'll go to the sounds block. Play sound meow. Hey, doesn't it look like we forgot something? Yes, we forgot about the events block panels block when green flag clicked. So let's see. We'll take it again. Okay, when green flag clicked, play sound meow until done. Then wait for how many seconds? We'll go to the control block and see. We'll make it wait 5 seconds. Okay, so let's see. Then we'll go to the looks block and say hello for 2 seconds. We already saw about the looks block panel, so I chose from that. And then we'll see it. Let's see. Go. Click on the green flag. Okay, we'll see it again. Okay, it's waiting seconds. Yes, now 5 seconds is over and after that it has said hello. So that's about the first block. Now we'll go drag and drop the 3 blocks. This is about repeat 10 times. This is the easy one. Repeat. We have to make it repeat a few times. So let's see. Repeat 5 times. And then play sound meow and then wait and then again play sound. So we'll see it, it'll repeat 5 times is too much. We'll make it repeat only 3 times. So let's see it. Just click in the blank area, that will get saved and then see now. Wait, we'll change this to 3 and 3. Okay, so click on the green flag to start it. Waiting 3 seconds. It's repeating again. See, you might be wondering why few meow sounds are coming. Okay, now the script has finished. So by the script start, you can see a small line right above it. Just see. This indication is that the script is playing. Now I stop the script. See, that line went. So you might be wondering why this sound, after the sound, this sound is playing directly because we have not put the wait 3 seconds. Now we'll see about the difference between that. The default block and now. Let's see. Look, now it's waiting. See, now it waits between playing after the sound, again it will wait after playing the sound also. See, that's about to repeat 3 times. Forever is little related to the repeat block. We'll keep on going until we click on the end block. Okay, say hello for say hello. We'll take that. Then we'll go for wait 1 second, and then we'll go for say hello again. We'll see hello. Look, you might be wondering why the hello is not going. That's because we have put say hello block. We don't need to say hello block, right? We need say hello for 2 seconds block. Okay, let's see it again. Start again. Hello. It has told us. Now it waited 1 second and now told again hello. So that's about the forever block. We'll go to control and drag and drop it back. We'll take the green flag block. Okay, now let's change the background again. We'll go for surprise itself. Let's start again. Wow, a nice building, right? Looks like a car show or an office building. So now it's about the if something happens, then it will do some other things. So we'll look about that block. So if now we'll go to the sensing block. I did not show you about the sensing block, but we'll just see about it. So if this is touching the color, if sprite is touching color, now this is green color, just click on it, then go click somewhere. Okay, now go, and now we can click on any color here. If the sprite touches this color, we'll put, okay, no need, then we'll put this one. If the sprite is touching this color, this is the color of this, then it will do something. Then it will ask what's your name and wait. Let's see. Click on the green flag to start it. Look, the sprite is not touching that color. Now we'll put it above that color and see. Look, it touched that color. So if touching color, meaning this color, if it touches, then it will ask what's your name. Just type a random name. I will type my name itself, Roshan. So we'll see. Just click on the tick button to enter the answer. See, the script is over. So that lines are gone. That means the script has ended. So now we'll see about the next block. If touching something, then do something, or else do something else. So we'll see about that. If we'll go to sensing block, touching, we'll put a forever block also, so that whenever the sprite touches, it will never get over without our permission, the script. So let's see. If touching mouse pointer, then, or no need, we'll go to the operators block. Let it ask a question to us. Okay, we'll see now. Or no need, we'll go to the back to the normal script. I'll show you about the script in my next video then, because that's a little advanced. So we'll go to sensing block. If touching mouse pointer, then it will go and do something. What do you want it to do? Okay, we'll play the sound. Or no need, it will say hello for 2 seconds. If that also doesn't happen, then we'll put else block. So what do you want? Play sound meow. So let's see. Look, that's going on forever because the mouse pointer is touching the color. Touching mouse pointer. The sprite is, look. So we'll just put it without the forever block and see it. Look, the sound will go to the next. No need. We'll put something else. If try this, what I'm doing. Okay, if answer is equal to, we'll put is equal to, where can you find the equal to block? Yes, it's here. If answer is equal to looks like the spelling of answer is wrong, right? Yes. We'll put the correct spelling. Answer. If answer is equal to 20 plus 30. If answer is 50, then say, it will say what? Say very good. Good. Right answer. Otherwise, what will it say if it's wrong? Then it will say, sorry, wrong answer. It will say, okay. So let's see. 20 plus 30. What's 20 plus 30? Yes, it's 50. So let's see. For now, I will type just 30. I know it is still. We'll see. Look, the sprite said, sorry, wrong answer. We'll try again. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. This time I'll type the correct answer. Look, if answer is equal to 50, so that means that something is wrong in our script, right? We'll see it again. There may be some difference in the answer they have given. Let's see it again. Look, some issues there in the script. Can you find it? Okay, we'll see in my next video. If you can, just find it, try. So that's about the if, then something, or then something else block. So next is wait until. That's to wait something until it touches something. And then this is repeat until, same like that. This is stop everything. Meaning to stop all the things over here. Okay. So that's about the control block. The rest of the blocks are a little advanced. I'll show you in my last videos. Okay. So bye everybody. See you all in my next video.